617 with the rain beginning to emerge once again over 7th and Range Line. Still very comfortable outside, 69 degrees. Just hang on the umbrella once again today as we're getting rain that will make its way in from northeast Oklahoma. Right along 44, but now we're starting to see it move to the north as well, kind of getting into the central portion. Heaviest rain has been just to the north of I-44. At one point in time, it was really between Mount Vernon and Greenfield. Now we're seeing it move not only to the north, but also the east. Turn our attention to what's behind it here. Now we're beginning to filter through Cherokee County up toward Crawford, make its way over the state line into Jasper and Barton County as well. Look at the rain from the past 48 hours. Remember, that's all from yesterday. But now we're starting to see anywhere from 1/10 of an inch creeping up to about 1/4 of an inch here on that far eastern edge, what we were talking about in between Mount Vernon and Greenfield. Flood warning for the Osage until Friday, so that's a little bit extended. 70 in Pittsburgh, 65 in Monette, 67 in Miami and in Neodesha as the jet stream has really flattened out. That means warm temperatures. That also means scattered rain throughout the day, and not looking at anything too severe. It's tonight. Watch the left-hand portion of your screen. Thunderstorms develop after sunset. They will roll through from west to east. That's going to bring us heavy rain along with some high winds as well. Flooding going to be our main concern as we head toward the weekend as the rain chances stick around. Now, time to return to our Spotlight on Branson.
Welcome back to the Mansion Theater for the Performing Arts, joined once again by Larry Wilt. Hi, Larry.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. So you teased earlier in our previous segment, Disney, Broadway, a lot of cool things that are happening here in 2021. Can you tell us more about those?
Sure. We have Disney Princess, the concert, coming in December 1st and 2nd of this year. And it is a great production. Matter of fact, it's obviously one of the first ones out of the box since COVID. Back for this year, and we are excited to have it and host it right here on our stage.
Yeah, and as we were talking about earlier, there's some things about this particular theater that's really just going to make that performance all that more grandiose to the audience here, correct?
We hope so, and I think being in December, obviously it's going to be a great Christmas present for all the little princesses in the area, and so we're excited to have that. So we ask them, please make your reservation soon because tickets are selling.
Well, there you go. That was going to be my next question. But I know that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot of other things happening. Some of them you can't even talk about right now. But I do understand you got some big things in the works.
We do. We are honored. We got some international product that will be coming to the stage, some shows direct from London, and we have some announcements that will be shortcoming.
Awesome. And just about going back to our previous conversation about the culture in general, and a lot of what you're trying to do here is just going to make the Branson experience for those people on vacation or coming in for a one day or whatever the case may be, it's just going to elevate it that much more, right?
We hope so. We're looking to hopefully be a theater destination, where folks will come and see what we have on stage and obviously go to the other shows in our town and attractions and things. We're not trying to be a standalone. We're trying to enhance Branson as a whole.
Awesome. Well, let's plug that website one more time, Larry. Where can people buy tickets for upcoming shows here in 2021?
Well, they can go to themansiontheater.com and look at all of our shows. There's video things that they can look at and pick and choose and plan their itinerary for coming to Branson.
Awesome. It's going to be a great year. Larry, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And again, make sure you visit the Mansion Theater for the Performing Arts.